Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, northern Hart County in northeastern Georgia, south central Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Toccoa, or near Avalon, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Carnesville, Royston, Reed Creek, Lavonia, Gumlog, Cannon, Franklin Springs, Bowersville, Martin, and Avalon. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. The storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. Lake Hartwell is in the path of the storm. Get away from the water and seek shelter in an interior room in the nearest shelter. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Franklin, Hart, and Stevens, and Oak. A severe